Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Photo USA. Today let me show you our new product, a new colorful stainless steel bottle. The shape looks like a milk bottle, and the materials is 304 stainless steel. It can help you to keep water for cold and for warm. And there is also a special part at this lip. There is a silicone circle. It can help you to open or close the bottle. And the next step, let me show you how to do the sublimation on the bottle. We use this arc machine to do the sublimation, setting the temperature in 350 Fahrenheit, timing 5 seconds. We also need to prepare a bottle, a tape, a printed paper, and a pair of gloves. Okay, firstly take the lip of the bottle, and then stick the paper at the bottom of the bottle. Okay, let's put the bottle into the machine. And waiting for some seconds. Okay, let's take the bottle off the machine. And please wear the gloves because the bottle is really hot. And let's take the picture of the bottle. You say a colorful post in the bottle is okay. Some more information, please follow our YouTube account. Thanks for your watching. Have a nice day.
Please don't say we're done when I'm not finished.